Hi guys, it's your girl Yammi. I'm at home right now, but today's video is going to be a little different. Today is going to be, I'm just going to do clips and pieces of my day and let you guys see what I go through on a day that I have something scheduled. Otherwise I sit at home and do nothing. So maybe I should take you guys along for that. Maybe I'll actually do something then. Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe I should do that. You guys want to know more about Yammi and my day and what I do? I don't know. I know I'm not that interesting or anything, but, you know, some people might like me. You know, I've been told I'm a little funny every once in a while, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think I should do a everyday video of my life and what I do? You know what? It might really help out somebody who just recently is going through some medical problems, and it could be medical problems like what I have. So maybe that's what I'll do. I'm going to start doing that. Yep. You guys are going to learn all about Yammi. I'm not used to talking about me a lot. I'm having a hard time with my videos, the picture, you know, with me. Some of them look good and some of them don't, and some of them I look at them like, was that me? Is that me? But, you know, it just caught me in the right frame, I guess. But in that case, yesterday I went to the doctor. I've got a redness going around my face here, so whenever I put lotion on, it burns. And I thought maybe it's because my medical condition, how I dry out. So I thought, well, maybe just this winter, this is what this is doing to me. So I'm wearing the mask. I didn't even think about that. So when you're wearing the mask and it's kind of cold out and you're breathing into your mask and the air staying there, it's that warm, moist air. And then that just like breaks you out. And I remember at the beginning of the pandemic, nurses with these marks around them, and I just didn't think about that. I didn't put 2 and 2 together. I came out with 3, so I had to go to the doctor and she gave me 4. But, yeah, so that's my problem there. So, yeah. I hate to do my makeup and then I have to wear a mask to cover up my face. So maybe I'll just do my eyes and forget the rest of my face. But I gotta keep lotion on, and I'm using some triple antibiotic around there. I'm gonna have to learn how to get sound effects on here for me, because I can do, yeah, I could just sound effect up the whole video. But I am learning very slowly on the video editing program, which I'm doing iMovies now, and I'm just slowly working into it. So maybe I'll try that. I learned how to put music in. I can, you know what? I can do anything I want. Right? Right. That's what we have to tell everybody. If that's what you want to do, if that's what you want to be, go for it. I guess I do a little pep talk too. Oh yeah, don't forget, I'm on TikTok now. I've only done like a couple videos, nothing too big or important or fancy or anything. So, but my self-esteem has always been low. And I'm working on that. I'm working on me. So my goal for TikTok is to actually do one of those dancing challenges. Well, let me see. I'm going to do them, but I have to customize them to my knees and that. So I'm going to do the best I can, but that's what I want to do. That's my goal, is to make a dancing TikTok video. I don't know. I'm going to do it though. Alright? Comment down below if you think I should do it or shouldn't do it. Cheer me on, guys. Let me know that I can do it. Alright, well, it is time to go for physical therapy. So, I'm going to take you guys with me to physical therapy, and you can see what I do there. Let's go. I was getting ready to leave and I forgot I had washed Obi's pee pads. Because I don't know if you guys know, but I did house train Obi on pee pads. Only due to my disability, if I was unable to get outside to take him, we have all kinds of pee pads I made up. And I clothesline here and let them dry. You don't put them in the dryer because there is a plastic between the two layers. Except for this one, I think it's coming apart. I just made him 3 new ones, so I guess I might have to part with one of them. But they've lasted now for almost 2 years. I made some of these up 2 years ago. And after they get used, they go in the washing machine. Alright, they're all hanging. Yeah, some are really big because I had a little playpen thing and I made it big enough to fit that, so it still works. These are the new ones I made up, and these ones are the originals. This one is too. So the first thing I do when I get in here is I sit in a chair. I get to sit in a chair and I have heat on my back for 15 minutes, and then we work out. So 15 minutes, we'll be back. Alright, this is the nice comfy bed I get to lay on for a little bit and do some exercises. Alright, so because today is a feel-good day, I made an appointment to get my nails done. I haven't had them done since before Thanksgiving. And they did gel paint. It stays on pretty good. I just got to get them filled. So I'm heading there next. I know you guys don't want to sit there and watch me get my nails done, so I'll do that and then I'll be back to you. Then we're going to go to Publix because I got to pick up some groceries. So we'll go have grocery shopping. Let's go. Alright guys, I keep getting sidetracked, and every time I grab my camera to film, something catches my attention and I get looking at it. Yes, I'm in Publix with no mask. I'm staying my distance from people. I'm breaking out, as you can tell around my mouth, I'm wearing the mask. And it hurts. With my illness, being already dehydrated from my illness, my skin's really dry, so when that mask is on, and even the moisture burns. So I have my mask with me. It is with me, and if I need to put it on, if there's a lot of people, I will, but I'm not touching anything, and I'm not touching my face. I've got my hand sanitizer. You know, it's not, I'm probably going to get a lot of backlash from this because I'm in a store without a mask, but I can't breathe in them. With my illness, it makes it even harder to breathe in them, and then to wear them down here, you know, that's defeating the purpose. So I just don't wear them when I can. Disney now, they make us wear them, so we have to wear them there. But like in most places, they're pretty cool about not wearing the mask. Therapy, doctor's offices, they require the mask more. So, but I found a few things, a few good deals. The Lunchables, Boo likes to take those with him to work at times. So they were buy 3, get 3 free. The Healthy Choice Bowls, these are for me for lunch during the daytime when Boo's at work. Those were 4 for $10. I got him Popeyes. He likes the banquet Popeyes. I know he's not going to like anything that I bought here. Oh, maybe this one, but that's about it. So I grabbed that for him. And then I'm trying sushi, guys. This is my first time. I decided I was gonna buy some sushi and try it. So I went with the California roll, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. That's all I can do is try it. And then we went to, I don't know if you guys seen that BJ's Brew House. When we went there, they had a spaghetti sauce that Boo had, and it was made with San Marzano tomatoes. So I found this one here. It is $6 for this bottle, but it was really good. So I'm hoping this one is good too. But we'll give it a try and see. And then, of course, I did pick up a Dutch apple pie. They were on sale for $4. Yes, I know. Don't need the pie, but I grabbed it anyways. And I got some rices. So far, that's pretty much it. Nothing fancy or anything, but there's some sales going on. I did order groceries from Walmart, so I knew after physical therapy, getting my nails done, and coming to Publix, I was going to be done. So I'm buying heatable stuff, you know, stuff that I can cook in the microwave for dinner tonight. That's the best I can do. Tomorrow night, I will actually cook. Alright, I was going to tell you, if you're here on vacation, download the Publix app and sign up for their savings, because they have some really good savings. You can get digital coupons, and then they have in-store coupons. So make sure you go on there, and that way you can check for the digital coupons. I go through, and pretty much anything that I think that we might eat, I go ahead and clip them. That way when I come here, I'm not worrying about going on here and clipping. And as you can tell, I haven't clipped any yet today. So let me start clipping. And bonus, look at here. They have a new Mountain Dew melon, and you can get it free. So I'm going to clip that. I got to find it. It should be up there in the cold cases by the register. So I'll make sure I grab that. But yep, that's a freebie. Okay, I'm home. Got everything unpacked. Now we're gonna try sushi. Now, don't laugh at me. I don't know how to use chopsticks. So I know you're supposed to use them. Okay, got them apart. I've been wanting to ask you guys over and over about if you've had sushi, what would be the best sushi to try, since I've never had sushi. Well, I keep forgetting to ask you guys, so I just went ahead and picked one out. So this one's a California roll. Oh, that's ginger. Okay. So, it looks like they got some wasabi sauce here. I'm not doing the wasabi, but I am going to dip it into some soy sauce. What? Uh-oh. Now it's falling apart because Obi's more crying. Okay, here we go. Ready? That wasn't bad. That wasn't too bad at all. And put a piece of ginger on a piece. Alright, now this one has ginger on it. Let's try this. Oh. Alright. Okay, got everything. Okay. That wasn't bad. With the ginger on it. Soy sauce on it. And a little ginger. Alright. Let's give this one a try. Yeah, I'm using my fingers this time. Oh my. Oh! goodness. Woo. All right. No wasabi for me. Woo. I want to say it cleaned out my nasal passages. All right. Now you guys are sitting there laughing at me, aren't you? I'm not exactly sure. It might be imitation crab in there, but it looks like there's some guacamole, not guacamole, but avocado in there, some green onions, seaweed, and I want to say that is imitation crab. I'm not 100% sure. It didn't really say on the package what all was in it. It just said California roll, and you know, your girl's not very smart sometimes, so I don't know what's in it. But yeah, we're gonna leave the wasabi alone. I am willing to try, oops, sorry. I'm willing to try more different foods. Now, knowing that this California roll is pretty good, I'm liking it. But they give you too much. I can't eat all this at once, so. So wasn't it fun being Yammi for a day? No. Even Obi says no. So, because I was so tired, came home. Boo got Popeyes and a salad. I got some Chinese noodle stuff in a bowl and a salad. That's our dinner for the night. Sounds good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammi some more.
Yeah.